You spend tons of time creating content each week, but you're just not seeing much payoff, if any at all. You love creating content and you dream that one day it will help you pay your bills, but no matter what you try, it just never seems to work. Well, Amazon has 2 programs that can help you out. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down each one of them, the Amazon Associates program and the Amazon Influencer program, to see which program will work best for you and bring in the most money. And make sure you stick around till the end so you know you're not leaving money on the table. Amazon monetization is pretty simple. You recommend a product to your audience and Amazon pays you a commission based off of that recommendation. But that seems so salesy. It's like cringe. It's not cringe at all. Let's say you just got a new lip oil that you absolutely love. Are you gonna tell your friends about it? Well, yeah, we always talk about stuff like that. Affiliate marketing is no different at all. Only now, you're making money for recommending that product to your friends, which means you can buy even more lip oil. That's actually kind of cool. Like, how do I sign up? Amazon actually has 2 different programs, so let's take a look at them and see which one would be the best fit for you. Let's start with the Amazon Associates program. This is the one I started with, and it's perfect for bloggers, website owners, really anyone who has a knack for storytelling. With this program, you create amazing content and insert affiliate links from Amazon throughout your content. And anytime someone makes a purchase through one of these links, you get a commission. It's really kind of like having a magic wand that turns your content into cash. And recently, Amazon has also opened this up to your email list. This is relatively new still, but now as long as your email subscribers have opted into receiving emails from you, you can include your affiliate links through the Associates program in your email list as well. You can recommend items to them like that lip oil, and when they purchase it, you earn a commission. It's like sending a monthly things I'm loving lately email. Okay, but like, what if I don't have a blog? If you don't have a blog, don't worry. Amazon has a program for you too. It's called the Amazon Influencer program, and it's tailor-made for those of you who've built out a strong, active following on social media channels like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Unlike the Associates program where you have to write articles and insert links to your products in those articles, the Amazon Influencers program gives you your very own Amazon storefront where you can link directly to products that you've recommended on your social media channels. That way you send all of your followers to one place and they can buy the exact products you recommend. Simply put the link to your storefront in your bio or in your video description, and your followers can go directly to your storefront to shop from your curated items. This program is all about leveraging your social media clout to drive sales and earn commissions. Oh my gosh, I could do that with my TikTok or your Instagram or your YouTube or your Facebook. How much money can I actually make with this? That's a great question. So let's take a look at the eligibility and earning potential of each program. One of the biggest differences between the 2 programs is the eligibility requirements. Amazon Associates is pretty inclusive. If you have a blog or website with quality content, you're pretty much automatically in. Once you're in the program, however, you do have to have 3 affiliate sales in the first 6 months in order to remain in the program. The influencer program, however, is a little trickier to get into. You need to have a substantial social media following. It's a very exclusive program, but if you have the numbers, it can be a goldmine. How many followers do you need? Amazon's been pretty elusive on that, but 1,000 is a good start. And they can't just be followers. They have to be active, engaged followers, meaning they're leaving comments, likes, and sharing your content. Well, that's not a problem. I have like 10,000 followers. So which program is best for you? Well, it depends. If you're a blogging wizard, then the Amazon Associates program is probably going to be your golden ticket. But if your social media seriously slays, then the Amazon Influencer program is probably the best fit for you. Best of all, if you're a blogging wizard and your social media is totally fire, then you can be in both programs. As a matter of fact, Amazon states you can qualify for both programs, giving you an even broader reach and ability to earn affiliate income. Remember, both paths have incredible earning potential. It's all about choosing the path that aligns best with your content creation style. And at the end of the day, regardless of which path you choose, you might need a little help getting boosted. And for that, I have a passive income membership that will really help you gain traction when it comes to earning passive income, so you can spend less time in the daily grind and more time living the life of your dreams. It's called Passive Income Academy, and I will link it in the description below. Does that make sense?
Hold on, I'm posting to my Instagram. Just signed up for PIA, and you should too. #influencer, #richgirl.
If you want to hop into Passive Income Academy along with her, I'll be happy to see you there. Until next time, peace out.